In this video, I will show you how to transfer Sweatcoin money to Apple Pay. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in this video, I will show you how you can withdraw your Sweatcoin money to Apple Pay. So at the top right of your screen, you'll be able to find your current balance on Sweatcoin. So currently, there is no way for you to withdraw this on any platform, but you can actually buy gift cards, Apple Pay gift cards on the shop section. So head over to the shop section. You can also find gift cards on the bid section. So this is where you can actually find the gift cards that you can actually use on real life circumstances, such as an Apple Pay gift card. So you need to watch out on this bid section. So as you can see in here, there are diverse auctions that you can find on the bid section. You can also buy a gift card on the shop section, but that will take much Sweatcoin on your behalf to spend, be able to buy a gift card from there. So keep an eye on the bid section for better options, and that is how you can simply transfer your Sweatcoin money to Apple Pay. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.